It's definitely different. This is Treyvaud's Woohoo Kitchen.
Got our cameras.
It has taken me so long to finally find something just as beautiful as I am. Say hello to my little friend, Mr. Monkfish. What an amazing view here in Kenmare, County Kerry. Now imagine a cooking show with loads of fun, laughter, but most of all, great food. Kind of just wing it as we go along. I promise you a surprise dish. It's called, I've no idea. We are blessed right here in Kerry with the amazing seafood we get right out of the Kenmare Bay. I'm going to show you how to cook it and have a great laugh on the way. The whole show is about showing you simple little recipes. 2 seconds of using your head transforms it into a world-class dish. It's pretty calm out here, isn't it? Wait until you get inside. We are ready to blitz. Now, this actually might work a little bit better if I put the blade in it. Most cooking shows would say, oh no, go back and do all that again. These kind of things happen. What a recovery! What a recovery! Let's go. Ah, thing isn't working. No recovery from that one. Welcome to Treyvaud's Kitchen.